App crashing when calling the Visual C++ Runtime 141 module DLL. I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows developer, and I'm providing the guided solution to fix this logic error now. Before we start the Visual C++ Runtime 141 module configuration, consider using the diagnostic resource below to maintain a clean system state. This is the Visual C++ Runtime 141 module, a specialized entry module for the Visual C++ 2015-2022 Redistributable that exposes newer standard library routines introduced in later toolset updates. It is required by many modern applications compiled with updated toolchains. If missing, software may fail to launch and display errors such as the code execution cannot proceed. Now that we've covered what the file does, let's jump into our first fix. For the best results, try a fresh installation of Microsoft Visual C++. Navigate to Microsoft's download library, obtain both the x86 and x64 Visual C++ packages, and install them to fix the corrupted file. When a standard reinstall doesn't cut it, we move to advanced diagnostic steps to ensure the system is properly configured. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including Visual C++ Runtime 141 module. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. If a quick restart didn't do the trick, it's time to look deeper into the system configuration. If you need to pause the video to find your settings menu, I'll be right here. Since that library file is still unresponsive after the restart, we'll run a repair on the coding environment. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ Redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. To avoid future system conflicts, there is one specific security trap we should discuss. From a cybersecurity perspective, I must warn you never to download files like Visual C++ Runtime 141 module DLL from unofficial repositories, as these are often bundled with malware that can compromise your system's data integrity. To support your system's overall health without the complexity of manual directory management, a maintenance utility is a solid option. If registry organization or startup behavior is a concern, the maintenance resource below includes Visual C++ Runtime 141 module references. I hope this resolved the conflict preventing Visual C++ Runtime 141 module from launching. For more deep dive technical tutorials and system configuration guides, subscribe to our channel today.